So on that mailing list, there was a guy who published a white paper with the name called Satoshi Nakamoto. He actually published a white paper with the name Bitcoin Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. The one that you can see here, it was like a cutting of his entire white paper, where he mentioned about his entire solution, that how this solution can be a revolutionized solution for creating digital money. And when I'm saying digital money, then it means that it can create a digital money not by the government, by the people, like a peer-to-peer, like two people decided to create something, and that's how it works. So this unknown guy, we don't know if it was he, she, or it's a group of people, but we know one thing, that it's a Satoshi Nakamoto. The name is still being used like a mysterious guy or person or group who invented something without any organization, without any centralized governance or government. It was just created by some individual, and we don't know who is he. So he not only invented this, published this white paper back in 2008, especially the time when the entire world was facing the economic issues all around the world. But on 9th January 2009, which means at the end of the 2008 year, and this guy, he published a software developed in C++, and he uploaded this software application on SourceForge so that anyone can download and start using it. He also invited Hal Finney, the famous PGP 2.0 creator, who invented these, who is, you can say, a scientist who created a lot of different cryptography protocols and algorithms back in his time. So he was invited by Satoshi Nakamoto on the same mailing list, and this software he downloaded on his computer, and then the first network they created between each other, which means that Hal Finney ran that peer-to-peer client on his computer, and at the same time Satoshi was running it. So they actually created this network as like two people who created a network. So Satoshi sent 10 Bitcoin from his wallet to the Hal Finney's wallet address, and this is where the first ever transaction happened between two individuals who were sitting somewhere around the world, and they became the reason why we have Bitcoin network or the blockchain technology. The blockchain, the word blockchain was actually written inside the source code of the Bitcoin client. So if you go on the Bitcoin client source code, you will see it was written like BLOCK block and then chain hyphen chain. So it was written not as a blockchain altogether. Anyway, so the first ever blockchain was published, and the network was published around the world. So what happened here, if you see 10 January 2009, Hal Finney uploaded, he just wrote on, tweeted running Bitcoin, and his tweet till now is retweeted a lot of times, many times. So this is something that I wanted to show you, that he was happy. Some people think that maybe Hal Finney was a Satoshi by himself, but he denied this this claim that he's not Satoshi. He always denied. He said that he spoke with the Satoshi sometimes, but he is not Satoshi Nakamoto. This is the Bitcoin block 170, which represent the first ever transaction between Hal Finney and Satoshi. So here you can see how 50 bit from Satoshi's 50 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin has been sent to the Hal Finney. So this is a small historical background how the first blockchain network were created by two individuals who are geeks, you can say. I'm 100% sure that Satoshi must be coming from a very like a geek, or you can say a software development background, because no one can write C++ based application in this way that today everyone is using the same technology and creating over the layer of those things. So the first message by Satoshi Nakamoto, it was hidden in his first Genesis block. When I say blockchain, the blockchain is based on different blocks: block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4.